Good morning, everyone. I hope it's not too early to be bothering you with my wahala. So, I don't know where to start from. But first, I should ask you, have you seen the film, the series on this beautiful series on Netflix, 7 Doors, by Femi Adebayo Salami, the king of boys? If you haven't seen this film, if you haven't seen 7 Doors, what are you doing? Kilonwo. Kilonwo. If you haven't seen this, oh God. Okay, so Adebayo Tijani, Tope Adebayo, and Femi Adebayo. These three people, you guys are crazy. I'm sorry, but you guys are crazy. I was looking for something that Yoruba will say Ashadanu. Is it the actors? Is it the lines? Is it the rendition of the lines? Is it the people's countenance? Don't mind the way I'm talking now, because film wà lára tí ó jẹ́ kí n sùn, because I have to see everything. Mi lè gbé kalẹ̀ kò jẹ́ kí n sùn dá. No, mo láti wò talking tó wá sùn. Good. Okay, this is the best time from the point of view of making film, from the perspective of filmmaking. This is the best time for me to be alive, that we are doing this amazing thing in the industry. I can't begin to mention names of the actors, because the actors, all of them outdid themselves in this film. I really want to mention names, at least some. Is it that boy that Aliu Gafar? That boy is crazy. And everybody in the film, everybody. At a point, I was hating on Daddy and Boda Avizo Yetoro and Daddy. Oh, what can I say about the film now? Me, I was thinking, Daddy Ati Boda Avizo Yetoro. You see the coinage, the suspense around the story. Okay, like Bashe Nukokoje. Series they shaba koda gan ebo gan. Sometimes when they do their own series, gbogbo ekolo ma captivating, gbogbo ekolo ma je ko joko. Like I've seen beautiful series on streaming platforms that you watch one and want to see the subsequent one, and like that till you finish the job. Yeah, couple of it no what on Nigeria. You see this one? Kote je file lo mumi. God. And this is coming from my industry. This is the best time to be alive as a filmmaker. We are growing because we are going places. So sometimes ago, I'm come out very long. Okay, in 5 years, 2 years, I want to be tired. You can see what we're doing now. So sometimes some of me back here, what does it do? And me, I don't watch Nigeria film. Me, I don't watch Yoruba film. What do you watch? I'm asking you, what do you watch? If you don't watch Nigeria film, you don't watch Yoruba film, you don't watch Nigeria film as a whole. What do you watch? They want to, you know, sorry. Mo fẹ́ lọ sẹ́gbẹ̀ kan bàtà wọn kékeré tí hip hop Nigeria ò tí ì rí báyìí, so tó bá ti ń kọ àwọn orin tó jẹ́, so when people are singing foreign songs, when foreign songs are being played and people don't know the lyrics, that is what these people are doing by saying we don't watch Nigeria film. If you don't watch Nigeria film, what are you doing? Not because I'm a filmmaker. This is God. 7 Doors. You must see this film. Amir, king of boys. Femi Adebayo Salami, Femi Tijani, Tope Adebayo. Nǹkan tí ṣe yín, nǹkan ṣe. How can you guys do this? Everybody in the film. Èmi ò rí ẹnìkan tó ṣàyẹ̀ tí ò ṣe dá. Everybody. Àwọn èèyàn wá àti Gabriel. You know, I'm a fan of Gabriel for a very long time. Yes. I'm a fan of all of you, my colleagues. So, ẹ má ṣì mí gbọ́, ẹ má mú mi lóhùn, but, you know, Gabriel. Ronke Oshodi okay. Ronke. No. You guys are something else. Tanuveka. About your body. Those women, there are a lot of lessons learned in this film. Timbama yalo be dear. Oshukanla oreru agbao. Sometimes people judge people. One they need more reason. Tell me if she nǹkan tó ṣe o. Olo happen nílé ọba ẹ̀. Oshukanla oreru. Then ore téèyàn bá ṣe kì í gbé o. The only thing that saved the Oba's life was the good deed that he did for Baba Avodu, Uncle Dili. See acting now, almost see acting now. You guys are not making me feel like I don't know how to act. All of you knew, wallahi alazim, all of you made me feel like, what am I doing here? Am I really an actor? Am I a filmmaker? But the big, that part of it, Femi Kilo Shelley. The thing where all of us, they manage, somebody go come, go do your own, small. Another person go come, you go can't do. Femi, why did you raise this bar so high? Why now? Kilo Shelley now, Amir. You've risen the bar so high. However, I'm not very sure film now, so Timothy film means right. Mama lekwe a film more come gbodo mo da, ko gbodo mo kere. Femi wetin happen now. Kudos, my dear brother. Kudos to everyone on this project, and most especially Bayo Tijani and Tope Adebayo. I can see what you guys are doing. You guys are amazing. I don't care what anybody will say, but Bayo, Tope, Ekushew. And you guys, both of you and Femi, your director, must know that there is no short telecoin. There is no ID, and all the technical crew. Well done. Kudos to all of you. So I want you guys to know, the people behind the camera, you guys are amazing. Like I always tell people, like I always say, always say to you guys are amazing. And in the magic go. Magic can happen. But I must tell you, consider short coin, consider short design. All these actors tell you want to buy beautify, want to be jade for you. So kudos to everyone, the technical crew, the actors, you guys, all of you are did yourself. But Femi Adebayo, Kilo Shelley, take it easy on us now. So you guys, what are you doing? This is the season for my people in the industry. So I'm going festive period now, so we have to be entertained. So there are a lot of films out there. But if you're at home, if you want to go out there, if you're out there, go to the cinemas and watch our films. But Obajo Konle was 7 door. Say, ma deny are ni nkan to fine o. I know this is early. Ile sese mo ki ma da yin lamu. But watch 7 doors over at home. God bless you, Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. You see that way, T music will have grow. Ti gbogbo aye ngbo Nigeria music here. Music in film Nigeria yi gbogbo aye ni omo wo. Femi Adebayo, well done. Thank you very much. Am I been aroyin mi po? I don't even know. Pe mo ti lo judge na báyìí. I'm so sorry. I love you. We love you. God bless you. God bless Nigeria.